My name is Michaela, and I'm here to teach you how to use HARS. So every semester, honors students need to complete some kind of honors activity and log it in the HARS system. For a full list of acceptable options, please visit the Honors College website or discuss with your honors advisor. To begin logging your HARS form, go to the Honors College website at honors.uic.edu under the Academics tab. The HARS login link is always available at the top right of the site. Once you have logged in with your NetID and password, you should see all of the following: your student information, your honors advisor, faculty fellow if applicable, and remaining honors requirements. If you are a rising second year or transfer/continuing student, you should have a fellow listed. To begin a new HARS form, select the appropriate category from the links on the left sidebar. For example, if logging an Honors College class, click on Taking an Honors College course. Each link opens a form where you can input the relevant information. When you select Taking an Honors College course, for example, you will see the general information listed at the top. This includes your name, UIN, major, and fellows information if applicable. Next, you will see the activity information. Here, you input the correct class information. Refer to your class syllabus for items like the CRN or a specific course title. Finally, fill in the activity description box at the bottom of the form with your course description. You can copy this directly from the syllabus as well. Submit the form by hitting the Next button. Double-check the information and then hit Finish. If you are submitting a different form, make sure to follow the directions for that type of form. Some activity types will require a goals and reflections form at different points in the semester. So refer to the HARS activity in the main page for any additional requirements. If you have more than one honors activity in one semester, make sure to log each activity type for that semester. All forms are due by the third Friday of the semester. HARS forms follow a set order of automated emails. Once you've completed your HARS form, your activity supervisor will receive an email to approve the form. If you have a faculty fellow, they will also receive an email to endorse the activity. As long as you complete your end of the HARS form by the third Friday of the semester, you're all done. At the end of the semester, you will return to HARS to submit your completion form for your honors activity. Thanks for watching!